If your Chrome browsing feels a little slow, there's a simple setting that can help pages open faster, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn it on. We're going to enable preload pages in Google Chrome, and I'll also explain the difference between the standard and extended options so you can choose the one that works best for you. If this tutorial helps, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech guides like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main menu for Chrome. From that menu, click Settings. That will take you into Chrome's settings page where you can adjust performance, privacy, and browsing preferences. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, click Performance. This is where Chrome keeps settings related to speed and resource usage. After that, scroll down until you find the speed section. In this section, you'll see the option called Preload Pages. This setting tells Chrome to predict which pages you're likely to visit next and load parts of them in advance so they can open more quickly when you click. To turn it on, simply toggle the Preload Pages switch to On. Once you enable it, Chrome will let you choose between two different preloads levels. The first option is Standard Preloading. This is the safer, more balanced choice for most users. With Standard Preloading, Chrome only preloads pages it thinks you are most likely to visit, which can improve speed without being too aggressive. The second option is Extended Preloading. This setting is more aggressive and can make browsing feel even faster because Chrome preloads more pages in the background. However, it can also use more mobile data if you're on a limited connection, and it may use a bit more memory on your computer. So if you want maximum speed and you don't mind the extra resource usage, Extended may be the better choice. But if you want a more balanced option, Standard is usually the best place to start. After selecting your preferred preload level, you can simply close the Settings tab. The change is saved automatically, so there's no extra step needed. From now on, Chrome will start preloading pages based on the option you selected, which can make your browsing experience feel quicker and smoother. And that's how you turn on preload pages in Google Chrome. It's a quick setting, but it can make a noticeable difference if you visit the same sites often or want pages to load a little faster. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to speed up Chrome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.